Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to look at question 22 of Paper 1 SPM at Maths 2017. So let's take a look at the question together. Alright, so question 22. Dahlia has home decorations shop. One day, Dahlia received 14 sets of cups from a supplier. Each set contains 6 pieces of cups of different colors. Alright, so let's look at the first sub-question. A. Dahlia chooses 3 sets of cups at random to be checked. Find the number of different ways that Dahlia uses to choose those sets of cups. Alright, so the best way to answer this is to actually draw out how the situation looks like. So basically, there are 14 sets. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so there's 14 sets of cups. So in these sets, each of them contains 6 cups. Okay, so all of them contain 6. So you think of it as 14 boxes, and each box has 6 cups. Think of it that way. So now, okay, so what you get is that it actually says that it chooses 3 sets of cups. So they say, what is the number of different ways that Dahlia uses to choose those sets of cups? Now, so what it means, right, is that out of 14 sets, they choose 3. So how many ways you can do this? So in this case, you can either use permutation or combination. So we will not use permutation because the order of the boxes does not matter. Okay, it does not matter whether they choose box 1 first, or box 2 first, or box 3 first. In essence, collectively, if you have those 3 boxes, then that's all that matters. So in this case, you want to use combinations. So it will be like this: 14C3. So that's the number of ways. So when you calculate it with your calculator, you'll get that the answer is 364 ways. Okay, so that is the first part of the answer. So that is 364. Alright, so how about B? Okay, B is this. Dahlia takes a set of cups to display by arranging it in a row. Find the number of different ways the cups can be arranged such that the blue cup is not placed next to the red cup. Now, so earlier, it pointed out that each set contains 6 pieces of cups of different colors. But in this part, they only mentioned that there is blue and red. So it means that there are 4 other colors that are not known to us, but we know that these 4 colors are different. They're unique, and they're also not blue and red. Alright, so again, let's draw out how the situation might look like. So, one way we can actually solve this problem is to consider the number of ways such that the blue and red cup are arranged together. Okay, so the question is asking for when blue and red is not placed next to each other. So let's consider the possibility whereby blue and red are placed next to each other. So in that case, we can write it this way. So we can write as blue red. Okay, so this one maybe is 1, 2, 3, 4. So in total there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cups, right? Okay, so we can use this combination. Alright, so from here, what we can do is we can permute the number of ways. So we are looking at the number of ways of which blue and red are together. Okay, we're looking at this possibility. So all we have to do is just permute these 5 portions, okay? Because we want blue and red together, so it will be 5 factorial, not 6. If it's 6 factorial, the blue and red can be separated. So if we want blue and red together as a piece, we consider it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 factorial. But you mustn't remember that the blue and red can actually interchange, meaning instead of blue-red in this order, it can also be red-blue in this order. So it means that within blue and the red cups, they can permute among each other via 2 factorial. So once you calculate, you'll realize that there's actually 240 ways such that it can be arranged where the blue and the red cup are next to each other. So how do you find the number of ways such that they're not next to each other? Is basically to find the So basically it's just to actually take the total number of ways you can arrange the cups in any way you want, and you minus 240. So the number of ways that you can arrange these 6 cups in any order you like is 6 factorial, since there's 6 cups. And you minus 240. And from here, you will get the answer, 480 ways. So this is the number of ways such that the blue and the red cup are not next to each other. Okay, so this one is, yes, it's next to each other, but this one is not next to each other. So with that said, the answer is 480 ways. Okay, so that's the answer. Thank you for watching.